I'm Gus, and I'm going to show you how to install a floating shelf. Because of the hidden bracket, it looks really neat on the wall and will fit great in any space. To do this project, you'll need a Flexi Storage floating shelf kit, which comes with the shelf, the bracket, and all the fixings you might need. You'll also need a spirit level, a drill with a Phillips head driver, a stud finder, a pencil, and of course a pair of safety glasses. The first thing you need to do is work out roughly where you want it to hang. I'd like to put this shelf right about here. To find the studs in the wall, you need to use your stud finder. Oh, found one. To use a stud finder, you hold it flat against the wall, push the button on the side. You then run it along slowly, and when it beeps, you know you're over a stud. By marking each side, you can find roughly where the middle of that stud's going to be. If the studs don't line up where you need them to be, don't worry, because your kit comes with a couple of wall mates. Its coarse thread means it can go straight into the plaster and provide a really solid anchor point where a regular screw would just tear out. Right. Once you've got the bubble centred on the level, mark your holes from there. The first thing I'm going to do is put the wall mate in the wall. That's going to give me somewhere to mount the centre of the bracket with the Phillips head driver and screw the wall mate straight into the wall. Take a screw, it comes in the kit, screw straight through the middle of your wall mate. All right, nice job. Take a screw and your drill and go straight into the stud. Take your shelf, make sure the holes are on the bottom and just slide it straight on. The last step is to take the two short screws and screw them through those holes under the shelf into the bracket to stop it coming off. In a few simple steps, your floating shelf's done and ready to style with a few of your favourite things. The shelf we've used today is rated to up to 5 kilos, so you can put a lot up there. Floating shelves work best when the weight is evenly distributed across the shelf, so make sure you don't hang everything off one side.